umbrella because our volunteer stands in the sun and under the water, under the rain. Oh. So I don't need the umbrella. Village volunteers on Lisa Goya, Igabole Namo Him, Tutum Gole, Huipi Kipoin, Ham Santa the Pongubin, Tunia decide to do him, Amo to the Tote Hoypoina. Musapenin, the people of Kukizo, Pakai Pai Katil Pajo Sitin Hatan Sabuda. The people of Kukizo, Pakai Pai! Pakai Pai! Pakai Pai! It is because of God, it is because of God's mercy, we are not consumed. The plan is we are gathering here to observe the first year of their evil design to annihilate the Kukizo community. It's all because of God. Siya chupa kaya pa ki samoy, abang katsumi pisa ki samong na tibiwin. It is proven beyond fact that what is happening in Manipur is a state-sponsored attack and violence on the Kukizo. It is proven by the fact-finding team from the National Federation of Indian Women, from the Editor Guild of India, and also from the expert team from the UN, United Nations, that this is a complete state-sponsored attack on the Kukizo community. I want to quote Mr. C. Kunal Varna, a military historian and author, who said, the Kukis have been always a very nationalist, and even to the state of Manipur, they are very loyal to the monarchy, etc. We've been such a loyal community of Manipur, and we consider ourselves in alienable part of Manipur, and we give our best for the welfare of Manipur. Our forefathers protect the monarch and the monarchy of Manipur from the external aggression. They were given assistance in times of war, and today the people who consider themselves as an inalienable part of Manipur are treated in this manner. Our sisters and our daughters are paraded naked. Not only that, they are get raped, they are killed mercilessly. Our young boy who need medical assistance coming by ambulance was waylaid by this Meitei community. They were burned alive. Not only the boy, even the mother and his sister, they were burned alive. Our boy who defended the village was beheaded, and his head was put on the fence and made a mockery. Our boy who defends the village, his body was cut into pieces and cooked by this cannibalism called the Meiteis. The highest level of barbarism, the highest level of savagery in the modern history is committed by the Meitei people. I'm going to ask a question. Do you want your sister and daughter to be buried naked and raped? No. Do you want your sister and daughter to be buried naked and raped? No. Do you want your brother to be, your brother's body to be cut into pieces and cooked? No. Do to be burned alive?
No!
Then we have only one thing. We must stand up strong. We must stand up strong against this injustice, and we have one thing to do. That is fight, 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 and fight back. We must fight for the justice. We must fight for justice of 179 lives that's being taken by them. Our fight is against the evil forces that are hell-bent to break India. We are fighting against those forces that are against democracy. They hold the elected government ransom. They dictate the government. There's no democracy in Manipur. They told us today is the day we are told you are capable enough to go on yourself. You are capable to live separately. That's why today is important. We must find our own cause. And our forefather fight for India's independence. It is known as Anglo-Cookie War for 3 years, and history, they said this is the most expensive and the longest war fought in India. That is fought by the cookies. And they also fought for India's independence under the leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose in Indian National Army. That's why Sri Kunal Verma, a military historian and author, said, cookies have been always a very nationalist. We are nationalists because India's independence, we shed our blood and we give our life. And today, you are calling the children of those freedom fighters as illegal immigrants. No shame on you, mateys. Today, if you can call us illegal immigrants, it is like calling the children of Gandhiji, the children of Jawaharlal Nehru, the children of Subhash Chandra Bose illegal immigrants. If you dare to call them the children of all these nationalists and all these freedom fighters illegal immigrants, you have to think yourself. Our blood, my blood, is Indian. And Swaraj is my blood, right? We want Swaraj from the Meiteis who never cared for what you did for the good of the state. We want freedom, we want independence from those forces who are trying to destroy India and who never respect the Constitution of India. These are the people who call the Indian Army occupational forces. We love Indian Army. There's no instance where the cookies fight with the Indian armies. We love them because our forefathers fought for this independence. This is a hard-earned freedom, and we want to uphold that freedom, and we will always uphold the Constitution of India, right to freedom, right to life, and freedom of expression. Today, you have seen what is happening in Manipur just 2 days back. 11 miscreants with automatic weapons were arrested by the Mahal Army Regiment. The world knows what they do. They fight for the release of those armed miscreants. And they are giving the highest level of disrespect to the Indian Army. They check the Aadhaar card. They let them stop leave them without food, they look at them. I'm calling out to every Indian, join us in this fight against all this injustice. Let's save our Bharat, let's save our India from all these evil forces. There are numbers of attacks which are done to our Indian soldiers. They kill our decorated soldiers. Not only that, they even kill the children and the family members of Indian army. We are here to fight against them. We have only one dream. That dream is, as they told us, live separately, govern separately. We are going to fight for that dream. We have started, we will continue, and we will achieve. I'm going to end my speech with one song. We have decided to fight for justice. No turning back. Shall we all raise from the place where we sit? We have decided. Okay, we have to sing. Let the entire atmosphere be equal with this song. We have decided to fight for justice. No turning back, no turning back. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Are we ready? Yes! So, 1, 2, go. We have decided to fight for justice.
Raise your placards, please.
Okay, wait, okay. Let's take, we have decided, okay. We have 1, 2, go. We have decided to fight for justice. We have decided to fight for justice. We have decided to fight for justice. No turning back. No turning back. No turning back. Louder, I'm going to hear you. We have decided to fight for justice. Louder! We have decided to fight for justice. We have decided to fight for justice. No turning back. No turning back. Thank you. Please be seated. There's nobody on earth who doesn't want peace. We want peace. But any peace without justice, we will never accept.
Yes.
Any form of peace without justice, we will never accept. We will fight for peace. A peace that is with justice. Thank you.
Thank you, Hejang.